Now, let's dig deeper into a few of the concepts and processes we saw earlier. One of the first things we did during the import was to define a source data format. There are three major data source types: file, ODBC, and AX. The file data source type allows you to import and export data using files. DIXF supports a number of file formats out of the box, such as delimited text files, or fixed width text files or XML files, or even Microsoft Excel files. When using the file format, files are typically stored on a shared folder, and when the data import-export operation runs, SSIS picks up the files from the shared path and then imports them onto the staging tables inside AX. AOS then takes the data from the staging tables, processes them, sometimes running business logic, and then moves the data into the target database. The ODBC data format allows you to use a wide variety of data sources to import data ranging from SQL databases to Access databases to any custom ODBC source that you may have defined. When you're using the ODBC data format, you must first define a data source name or a DSN using the administrative tools in Windows, and then you can use these DSNs that are available to select from within the data source formats form in AX. At runtime, SSIS uses the connection string that has been specified on the DSN and then uses that to connect to the data source. The data source, again, could be a SQL database. It could also be an Excel file or an Access database. Let's talk a bit more about the file type and specifically the delimited file format.